CM Tuliram Rohang Karbiang Long Autonomous Council Secretary Building Along Executive Committee Amai Padopot. Assam pen Meghalaya border alam ki aputhak UPKA UKYC lapen ARKSU memorandum pajirta. Umrang sopen langka along bang po apran kedam jia tumapan kacikimu. Lakhain ko retro ke parlo Juar Baguri constituency ke parlo hanboka along dampar chapar lepit. Inglongkiri Abirta pen niri Samirup talintiran pi non arju itha Abirta angton pen. Akehai CM Tuliram Rohang Karbiang Long Autonomous Council Secretaries Building along Executive Committee Amai Padopot. Adun tu kacitong dun laki akehai Horen Singh be kado kawi EMPS Secretaries lapengki Senior Official. Pini Assam Meghalaya border alam ki aputha United Protection of Karbi Anglong United Karbi Youth Council lapen All India Karbi Student Union Assam a Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma aphan memorandum pajirda.
United Karbi Youth Council and All India Karbi Students Union we jointly submitted a memorandum to Himanta Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister of Assam, through the Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong. Today, we submitted a memorandum regarding the protest against the give and take policy in solving the border dispute between the Assam and the Meghalaya. We would like to appeal the Gulf of Assam and the Gulf of Meghalaya to maintain the status quo and to solve the border issue immediately. So here we have some of the demands. So we would like to appeal the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya. So here are the demands. Number one is that we demand the give and take policy should be immediately withdrawn and maintain the status quo. Number two, all the stakeholders, civil societies should be involved and taken on board. Number three, unauthorized entry of Meghalaya government bureaucrats, officers and taking up of government scheme by Gulf of Meghalaya in the disputed areas of Block 1 and 2 must be immediately stopped. These are the demands from our various organizations.
Thank you.
Kedam tang papaing koi retroksi army umrang sopen langka along bang po apran kedam jia tumapan Truck Association atum kaciki mupon. Juar Baguri constituency ke parlo Daithor police station adung het ke do Daithor pen hanboka NH35 atowar pialong Saint Gravel ke pon bom adam par towar ka heno kilit parpik ajok ihum adam par abang chapar lepit. Tangte pini Abirta ke pansi kangton pon iglo domi thak me kurwang thu.